last class, already we discussed about the successor and predecessor. Today, in your maths class, I am going to explain about the comparison. What do you mean by comparison? Suppose I was given to you maths marks in your class. What do? You will go to nearby your friend and you will ask to your friend how many marks did he or she got. Then you came to know that if you got the highest marks or if you got the less marks or both are equal, both are got the equal marks. It is the comparison of marks. We are comparing the here marks. Now here you got the 98 marks and your friend got the 96 marks. So which is greater number? 98 is greater than the 96. So who got the highest marks? That is you. You got the highest marks than your friend because 98 is greater than the 96. My dear children, already you learnt in the previous class to compare 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. How do you compare the bigger numbers? Okay, now let us see how to compare the bigger numbers. Already you know these three symbols. What are they? They are greater than, less than and equal symbols. These three symbols already you learnt in the previous classes. Okay, another time I am going to explain about these three symbols. What are they? They are greater than, less than and equal. Okay?
Okay children, now see here. This is the hungry alligator and it always open the mouth wherever it is the bigger number. The alligator open the mouth wherever it is the bigger number. Now here which is the bigger number? 6 or 3? Yes, 6 is a bigger number. So the mouth open towards the 6. This is the greater than sign. So, greater than sign eats up the greater number on its left. So, we use it when we have a bigger number or greater number on the left. It is read as 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. Here 6 is the bigger number. So, 6 is greater than the 3. Next one. Now see here. In this case, 8 is bigger than 4. Here, 8 is the bigger number and 4 is the smaller number. So, 8 is bigger than the 4. So, the alligator open the mouth towards the 8. And this is called the less than sign. So, it eats up greater number on its right. 4 is less than 8. Which is less than the 8? 4 is less than the 8. So the alligator opens the mouth towards the 8. Now can see here, the alligator did not open the mouth because the alligator can't decide which is the bigger number. Why? Why? Because here two sides the same number is there. What is the same number? It is 10. Same sides we have 10 is there. So the alligator can't decide which side to open the mouth. So the alligator will not open the mouth. When we are showing the equal symbol, it is 10 is equal to 10. So both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same, we are using this symbol. It is equal to symbol. Okay children, did you understand everybody? Greater than, less than and equal to. These are the symbols we are having. We are using to compare the numbers. Okay children, now let us do some examples. Here first we have first rule. Comparison of numbers with same number of digits. Comparison of numbers with same number of digits. We start from the left and go on comparing the digits until we find two digits that are different. That means they are giving same number of digits, and that we have to find out which is the greatest number. Now here we have one example sum is there. Compare 61,626 and 42,846. In these numbers, how many digits are there? Both the numbers are 5-digit numbers. That means these two are having same number of digits. So first these two numbers we have to adjust in the place value chart. Already you know the place value chart. Now can you tell me what are the first two place value? First it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, next 10,000s. In this place value chart we have to adjust these two numbers. Now we have to start from the left side. In the left side, what is the first place value? It is 10,000. So you have to compare the digits in the 10,000s places. In 10,000s, which digits are there? 6 and 4. So which is the greatest one? 6 10,000s is greater than the 4 10,000s. Here 6 10,000s is greater than the 4 10,000. So which is the greatest number? 61,626 is greater than the 42,846. Like this we have to compare when the same number of digits. Okay children, did you understand everybody? Okay. Now let us do another model, that is comparison of numbers with different number of digits. Before that we did with the same number of digits. Now we have to do the different number of digits. If two numbers have different number of digits, then the number with more digits is always greater. I am repeating another time. If two numbers have different number of digits, then the number with more digits is always greater. Suppose we have to compare 42,218 and 2,72,148. Dear children, if you can see here, 42,218 is a 5-digit number and 2,72,148 is a 6-digit number. One number is 5-digit number and the another one is 6-digit number. So here which is the greatest number? Which number is having 6 digits? It is the greater number. And which one is having only 5 digits? It is a less number. Now the number with lesser digits is always smaller. Which number is having lesser digits? It is always smaller. Okay children, now everybody can understand how to compare the numbers. Okay children, now I think you know how to compare the numbers. Okay, in your textbook, page number 161, we have one exercise is there. Exercise 1.3. And the first and second section problems was given by comparing the numbers. The two